Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and a bundle of Durud Islam on beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear students, mathematics exercise 7B for new secondary mathematics book 1 class 6 subject students, and exercise 9B for new syllabus mathematics D1 for A level O level students. And question number 7 is, a piece of metal is heated up to 428 degrees centigrade. After that, the temperature falls at the rate of 23 degrees per minute for 3 minutes, and then 15 degrees centigrade per minute for next 15 minutes, and after that the temperature is decreasing 8 degrees centigrade per minute until it reaches the room temperature of 25 degrees centigrade. Students, we have to find the temperature of that metal after 9 minutes, and then we have to find the total time required to reach the temperature at room temperature of 25 degrees centigrade. So students, for 9 minutes, first we will multiply 23 with 3, because in 3 minutes the 23 multiplied by 3 degrees centigrade temperature will decrease, and then for the next 6 minutes it will decrease 15 degree per minute. So we will multiply 3 with 23 and 15 with 9, and then we will sum up both the temperatures, and that temperature will be subtracted from the total temperature, and that temperature will be the temperature of metal after 9 minutes. And students, for finding the total time required to reach the temperature down of this metal up to 25 degrees centigrade, first we will subtract 25 degree from 428, because the temperature will not decrease from 25 degrees centigrade. And then students, we will multiply 23 with 3 and 15 with 15, and then both the temperatures will be subtracted from 403 degree, and then the rest of the temperature will be divided by 8, because after that temperature will decrease 8 degrees centigrade per minute, and then we will sum up 3, 15 and the third time, and that will be the total time. So for first part, I will find the temperature after 9 minutes by multiplying 23 with 3 and 15 with 6, because total time is 9 minutes. So for first 3 minutes temperature will decrease 23 degree centigrade per minute, and for next 6 minutes temperature will decrease 15 degrees centigrade per minute. So students, decrease in temperature for first 3 minutes will be 23 multiplied by 3, and it will be 69 degrees centigrade, and decrease in temperature for next 6 minutes will be 15 multiplied by 6, and it is 90 degrees centigrade. So students, total decrease in temperature after 9 minutes, total decrease after 9 minutes will be 69 degree plus 90 degree, and it will be 159 degrees centigrade. So students, after 9 minutes the temperature will be, after 9 minutes temperature will be 428 degrees centigrade minus 159 degrees centigrade. So students, 18 minus 9 means 9, 11 minus 5 means 6, 269 degrees centigrade temperature will be after 9 minutes. Students, In second part, we have to find total time for decreasing temperature up to 25 degree centigrade. So students, first we will subtract 25 from 480 because that will be the temperature that has to decrease with the different rates. For first 3 minutes, temperature will decrease at the rate of 23 degree. For next 15 minutes, the temperature will decrease for the rate of 15 degree, and rest of the temperature will decrease at the rate of 8 degree per minute. So students, first we will subtract total decreasing time, total decreasing temperature. Decreasing temperature will be 428 minus 25 degree, and it will be 403 degree temperature that has to be decreased. And the first rate is 23 degree centigrade per minute. So students, for 3 minutes. So students, in first 3 minutes, temperature will decrease 23 multiplied by 3, and it will be 69 degree centigrade. And students, for second 15 minutes, in second 15 minutes, temperature will decrease 15 degree centigrade multiplied by 15, and it will be 225 degree centigrade. Now students, from 403 we will subtract 69 and 225 to find the temperature that has to be decreased at the rate of 8 degree centigrade. So students, temperature decrease at the rate of 8 degree centigrade. It will be 403 minus 69 minus 225 degree, and that will be, so students, 109 degree centigrade temperature has to be decreased at the rate of 8 degree centigrade per minute. So required time for that rate, required time will be 109 degree centigrade over 8 degree centigrade. Centigrade will be cancelled with centigrade, and 198 will be divided by 8, and we will have, students, 109 divided by 8, and it will be 13 whole number 5 over 8. Now students, minutes. Total time that has to be decreased is 3 plus 15 plus 13 whole number 5 over 8 minutes. And students, when we sum up 13 plus 15, 28, 28 plus 3, 31 minutes, 5 whole number, 31 whole number 5 over 8 minutes are required to decrease the temperature from 428 degree to 25 degree at the rate of 23 degree per minute for 3 minutes, and 15 degree for 15 minutes, and rest of the time temperature will decrease with the rate of 8 degree centigrade. So total time that is required is 31.58. Next, question number 8 is, a cook uses 15 2-liter bottles of cooking oil in 4 weeks. If he decided to buy 5-liter tins of cooking oil instead, how many tins of cooking oil will he use over a 10-week period if the rate at which he uses it remains unchanged? So students, cooking oil for 4 weeks, cooking oil cooking oil for 4 weeks will be, he uses 15 bottle of 2 liters of cooking oil, so total oil will be 30 liter for 4 weeks. And for cooking oil for 1 week will be 30 over 4 liter. And students, we have to find the cooking oil for 10 weeks. So cooking oil for 10 weeks will be 30 over 4 multiplied by 10 liter. So students, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2, 2 15s are 30, and 15 5s are 75 liter of cooking oil is required. And he has decided to buy 5 liter tin. So 5 liter, number of 5 liter tins will be 75 over 5, and 15 tins of 5 liter oil will be required for 10 weeks. So students, it's enough for today. May Allah Almighty bless you all the time and have a good day.